What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Almighty Kicks. I'm hoping everyone's having a great day today. It looks like our Supreme Week 2 drop just released today. But here today on the channel, what I do have is Week 1's bag pickup, which we'll go ahead and unbox, review, and how to style in just about a moment. Stay tuned, guys. Every season, Supreme tends to drop a few waist bags, a few backpacks, and a few other accessories. But in my opinion, this simple black backpack that I want to go ahead and pick up today has gotten my attention. I will be posting resale predictions and a few other of the Supreme drops on the following week, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, we'll go ahead and dive straight into this video. If you guys are brand new to the channel, please make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. I actually will be posting content like this quite frequently. I will also be posting resale predictions, how to cop, reviews, how to style, right here on the channel. Make sure you guys are following me on my social medias, especially Instagram, where I will be posting stories on when are my next uploads, when are we copying, and how to style some certain fits there on the gram. Before we get started here, I just want to let you guys know that this backpack did come in a few different colorways, such as blue camel, yellow, and red. I personally did like all those other colors, but I want to go ahead and just get the all black, knowing it will match my outfits, and it is my first backpack. So guys, let's just not waste any more time. Let's get right into this unboxing. So guys, this is actually my first time unboxing. Looks like we got a few sets of stickers here. As you guys see here, we'll go ahead and take a look at these. So what we do have here is going to be another Supreme. I believe it might be a poncho. I don't know if they're giving these out to just anybody, but this is definitely going to be a dope fit for any of those rainy days. I'll go ahead and show you guys that in just about a moment. But for the backpack itself, we'll go ahead and show you guys that in just about a moment. Let's get right into it, boys. To start things off, I did want to say I did receive a few stickers here from Supreme, and I'm certain if you do cop from the Supreme app, you will receive a few of these items. So make sure you guys don't miss out on any of these items. I did want to mention Supreme was able to add a few water pouches here on the side. That does seem very handy for any student who is upcoming for spring and summer. What we do have here is a Supreme hit that's going to be on the bottom here, and we also have a reflective Supreme that we have not yet seen before. Other than that, we do have a few straps here on the sides and the bottoms, which I will go ahead and show you guys what these straps are for. So there will be 3 pockets in this backpack here, and these straps will go ahead and secure all those pockets. So once you go ahead and release these, you're able to just unzip one of these here, which we have another one here on the side. But for now, I'll go ahead and show you guys what's going to be on the back of the backpack, which is going to be 2 straps here that are going to be strapped on from our signature straps. And we also have a nice hint of Supreme on the bottom and the Supreme tag here as well. Other than that, there won't be anything really that stands out, but it's definitely a nice touch here. So for our first pocket here, what we do have is a nice pouch with a very spacious area, so you can fit any video equipment, camera equipment, and any laptops here as well. I gotta say, this does include some great space here for the backpack, and what you do see here are a few hits of Supreme all over the bag. For our second pocket, what we do see aren't any pockets or anything really inside the pocket, but what we do see is a few hits of Supreme here, but it's going to be very spacious as well. For our last pocket, what we will see is a small pocket that's going to fit keychains here, glasses, wallets, and anything else that would be very useful for small appliances. So that'll go ahead and cover up all 3 pockets and give you guys a good look at the bag once more. That'll wrap up today's video here, guys. I do appreciate every one of you guys tuning in on the review of the Supreme bag. We will be seeing next week's cop. I will be posting a few videos on those, so please make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, leave a comment. Other than that, we will see you guys on the next time. Have yourself a good one. Let's go.